How's it? I'm going to make one or two pointers about my swing in this quick video that I'd like you guys to have a look at. Let me just slow it down a little bit. Obviously we can't look at super fast swing. And I think I've already showed you about obviously the plane of the club, which is here at address. Okay, so obviously that's very important. And the other thing that's very important is this angle here that I'm going to be rotating around that fixed point. And then also I want to make a little line of where my head is. Oopsie. Let me just try to where my head is at address, so that you can just see where my head is at address. Okay. Right. Sorry, it's not the straightest line. Let's quickly see what happens throughout the swing. So as you can see, I take quite a wide swing arc. This is actually a 6-iron, and what you will see, what's very important, is the club face at the top of my swing is perpendicular to the swing plane, which means I'm actually swinging on plane. And also the club face is in the correct position. Maybe it's a little bit difficult to explain what I mean by that, but if you can imagine drawing a line from the club face, it should actually be at a right angle to the swing plane to show. In other words, that club shouldn't be pointing up. The club face shouldn't be pointing up, or the toe completely down, because that's incorrect. Okay, now let's just go back to my address position. And as I take it back, what's very important is to note where my head is at impact. Can you see it dips, but besides the dipping thing, I actually, let's do that again. Notice how I move actually closer to the ball. Look, watch. Just watch. My head is actually, let's see, it's moving closer to the ball. See that? Address. See the back of my head? And as I swing back, I move closer to the ball, and I'm down and rotating. Anyway, that is my basic thing. Oh, one other thing. What's a good thing to look at? Hopefully I can just pick this flipping thing. It's difficult. Okay, do you see where the club is? So I'm not right on top of the club there, but can you see, more or less, even on my follow through, that my club is, I'm trying to get that correct, that my club is parallel to my what do you call it? What the address position was. Let's just go back to see, there's the address position. That club is parallel. That means I'm still on the swing plane. I'm very, very happy with that. There it is there. Anyway, hope that helps, guys.